I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So if you don't know already, I'm an organizing consultant, and a lot of people also call that a professional organizer. And what I do is help people get their space and get their lives organized. And with that, a lot of times I have to shop for organizing products. So that means you will always see me in either the Container Store, Target, Home Goods, IKEA, and I'm constantly on Amazon shopping for organizing products for my clients and a lot of times for myself as well. And throughout these years, I have seen a boom in organizing products. There are so many organizing products out there nowadays. I am flabbergasted at the multitude of products one space needs. And because of this, I really believe it's so important to purchase organizing products that are multifunctional. And with that said, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can use one organizing product. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before I show you the ways you can use an organizing product, let me introduce you to the product I'll be talking about today. The product that I'll be talking about today is the Montana jar. It is a glass jar with a wooden lid. And the beauty of this jar is the wooden lid. It is a multicolored wooden lid. So it is brown, medium brown, it is beige, it's dark brown. I mean, it comes in a multitude of colors just on one lid. And I believe because of this, this is why it can fit in any style home. It is a multifunctional organizing product. Other than it being glass and it having that wooden lid, the opening is pretty large. So whether you are putting in solid components or granular components inside the jar, the items will be easily accessible, which again is another pro in my book. Ugh, I can't stop smiling about this product because it's that great. It's that great. So the first place you can use this organizing product is in your coffee station. I like to put my K-cups in the jars. I have 2 of these jars, and I put my flavored K-cups and my more, subtle or more regular K-cups in them. And it just fits well in my space. The reason why I wanted to display the K-cups was because the K-cup base is white. And I've mentioned before, my home is pretty dark and I am getting it lighter. So one of these days I'll share like my living room makeover, but that's besides the point. I like to incorporate white elements to my space. And because the K-cups base is white, I wanted to display them and put them in a clear object or a clear product that will display them. That's the reasons why I purchased a glass jar. I like to stack the K-cups inside of it. The jar does come in 3 sizes, and I did purchase the largest out of the 3. So I am able to fit a 12 to 15 pack of K-cups in this jar and still have space. So you can fit a large amount of K-cups in here, which I really like. It displays my K-cups beautifully. It displays beautifully on my countertop. And it's just a great component to add to your coffee station. And yeah, it just fits perfectly. I love it. I love it, guys. I can't stop smiling about it because I love it that much. So another way to use this jar is to use it in your pantry. You can display your beans, your rice, you can display oatmeal. The more drier ingredients would sit well in this jar. And a great thing about this jar, if I didn't mention it already, is it fits in different types of home styles. So whether you have a more minimalistic home style or a more rustic or farmhouse home style, this jar fits beautifully in it. And because it has a big opening, when you do put your beans or your rice inside of it, you can also put like a measuring cup or a scoop or a cup scoop or a cup scooper, whatever it's called. You can put it in there and let it sit in there, and you won't have to worry about it getting stuck in there or your hand getting stuck in there. I do love the jar in the different spaces in my home, but you can also use it in different spaces. You can use it in your craft room. You can use it in your office. You can use it in your laundry room. I mean, it's a great jar. So yeah, guys, yeah. I wanted to just kind of show you just different ways to use different products. And in the future, I'll be showing you just different items that I come across that I have either in my home or that I've seen in stores. I'll just show you different ways you can use it in your home. So before I end this video, let me ask you guys a question. This question is actually going to be unrelated to organizing. What is your favorite plant? I have my ficus plant over there, and every time I film a video, I get the opportunity to look at it, and I love seeing it grow. and I am looking to adding more plants in my home. So if you have any ideas on the different types of plants I can add to my home, let me know in the comment section below. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.
Look, this looks like a table because look, it looks like there's seats there, and this looks like this looks like it's a fountain.